Hello everyone. It's been a while since I made a video. Today I'm simply just gonna show you how to buy meme coins on the Apertum Network. We're just gonna get straight to it really. So the first thing that we're gonna do is that you have to go to the Explorer, which you can go to apps and you can find the Explorer right there. So we're just gonna press that and it's gonna take us to the Explorer. Now when we are in the Explorer, you have to connect your MetaMask and make sure that you're connecting the wallet that you want to have the tokens in. So I'm simply just going to click connect. I'm going to choose my MetaMask wallet and there we go. So now it is connected. Then we're going to go on the left side. We're going to go to tokens and then we're going to click tokens. So here you will have a list of all the various tokens or coins, if you want to call them that exist on the Apertum network at the moment. And let's say, for example, I want to buy some Anoubis coins right there. Then the first thing that I would need to do is to add the Anoubis token into my MetaMask. So I'm simply just gonna click add to MetaMask, the icon down there, and that will create a pop-up in my MetaMask that comes up on the side that you can't see now, but I'm just going to click add token in the pop-up and then it is successfully added. So if I would then open my MetaMask so you can see, then you can see that my Anoubis is right there. So it's added. Now I need to take the Anoubis token address. I need to copy that. And I have to go back to my dashboard and I have to go to apps again and I have to go to the DEX. So now in the DEX, the first thing here that you also need to do is to connect your wallet, which I've already done. And then we're going to use the wrapped USDT to buy our tokens today. And then when we select here, you can paste the token address that we copied right there at the top. So now I can see that Anoubis is right there and I will click that. So now I got the Anoubis here. I'm just going to buy a couple of tokens. So I'm going to swap it. I'm going to confirm the swap. I'm going to accept it in my MetaMask. So now, and that is how you can buy various meme coins and the Anoubis token on the Apertum network. So now I will be able to see in my Anoubis right there that I got the coins right there. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.